Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use subtotal in Excel. So here I show you three different ways to use the subtotal in Excel. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the subtotal and select the subtotal functions. And here the function's number. So here I'm going to sum of this column. So I select the function number 9 of sum. Okay. After that, use the comma and select the range of data. Okay, bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the total amount is calculated. In subtotal, when you filter your data, the amount will change accordingly. Suppose I select the cell and use the filter Shift Ctrl L, the shortcut key to apply the filter. Then I filter some item here, so I filter some data here, and you can see the changes over here. The total amount change accordingly filter the data. Okay. The second way, I remove this subtotal formula, and the second way, simply select the cell, go to the formulas tab, click on the insert functions option, and here the insert function dialog box is open. Search for the function, you just enter the subtotal. Click on the go option, and here you see the function is searched. Click on the subtotal and click on OK, and here the function argument for subtotal dialog box is open. In function number, enter the 9 number because I want the sum total of this column. 9 is for sum. After that, in reference, select the range of data. Click on this arrow and select the range of data. And again, click on this arrow and you can see here the range is selected with the data. After that, click on OK and that's it. Your subtotal is calculated. Okay. And the third way, simply select the cell. And you can use here the shortcut key to apply the subtotal function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the subtotal. Okay. I remove this bracket. So I remove the bracket by using the backspace. And after remove the bracket, use the shortcut key Control A. And here you see the function argument subtotal dialog box is open. Same as enter the 9, select the reference, range of data, and click on OK. That's it. Your subtotal is calculated. Okay. So when you apply the filters, suppose I apply here the filter and filter some items, you can see the amount change accordingly. Okay. But when you hide some data, suppose I'm going to hide some rows here, right click of the mouse and click on the hide. You can see the total amount is not changed. For that, I use here Ctrl Z, undo the action and remove this subtotal function. In this case, use the is equal to, enter the subtotal, and here select the 109 number sum functions. Okay, 109, just enter the 109 also and use the comma and select the range of data. Bracket closed and enter. Now here I'm going to hide some rows and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. That's it. Here you see the amount change accordingly. When you hide something row, amount will change. The total amount calculated only the visible amount. You can see the 37,360 here sum total. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.